Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist. Get that butt first in this one. Just all depends what's most prominent where I start. And we're just going to get the shapes in, get those legs angled properly, and get all the parts into place. Just really want to spend enough time making sure everything looks in the right spot in this stage, because it's a really good stage for correction. Now don't worry about extra lines or overlap or anything at this stage. The only thing I worry about is getting shapes and angles right, but not worrying about them being perfect, because there's some allowance for character room. And just focusing on the gesture more than anything really allows room for character. It breathes life into it. Just a suggestion of those paws sticking out a bit from the legs, because we don't see too much of it. Feel free to drop me a comment, especially if you have an idea for a cat drawing video, and make sure you put video idea in capital letters so I can find it quickly. I love to get ideas from viewers, and I'll do my best to get it on here if it fits within my realm of expertise and interest. I really try to focus on rescue cats more than anything. I don't do a lot of specific breeds, just because I know there's so many cats that need to be rescued, and I think it's way better to focus on them. So many looking for loving homes. Get that muzzle and a line for the eyes. And just suggestions of features. Just get the tabby stripes like kind of quick and spontaneous. Stick to the gesture. Always get your eraser in there to lighten things up if you need to. You see how those lines beside the eyes really shape the contour of the head? And I love those lines most of all. I like to play it up and make it look like Kitty's wearing glasses. Oh, that's too much. Let's neuter Kitty. There we go. Kitty should be neutered anyways. We don't want more poor little kittens that need homes. Lots to go around already. Just refining things here and helping the right lines pop out. It's going to be different for everybody. And I might seem like I'm going fast, but I do have it set at, I think, 3.25 times the speed. And I'm voicing over, so definitely don't draw quite this fast. But I hope that by speeding it up, it, helps you learn quicker. We're going to put some whiskers on here pretty quick and call it done. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.